In a recent breakthrough, scientists have demonstrated how artificial intelligence can read people's minds with up to 80% accuracy. By using functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, and a machine learning framework model called Stable Diffusion, researchers were able to reconstruct images that people had looked at. The AI-powered algorithm only needed access to people's brain scans to recreate high-resolution images with high semantic fidelity. The algorithm was able to reconstruct images with a similar level of accuracy as a previous study from Cornell University. As previously mentioned, the study conducted by scientists from Osaka University was 10,000 images, including a teddy bear, a train, a clock tower, and someone skiing. Researchers were able to use fMRI and machine learning to reconstruct high-resolution images based on brain activity. In a similar study, researchers were able to map the brain regions activated while participants looked at images and then used AI to reconstruct the pictures based on text inputs. The accuracy of these reconstructions was evaluated objectively and subjectively, leading to significant insights into how the human brain processes visual information. By applying these techniques to the study of the effects of psychoactive plants on the human brain, we may be able to gain a deeper understanding of their impact on consciousness and the shamanic worldview. For example, we may be able to visualize the brain activity of individuals who consume DMT or other psychoactive plants and use AI to reconstruct their experiences. This could provide us with unprecedented insights into the nature of the spirit world and the ways in which psychoactive plants facilitate communication with it. The study on brain activity and AI reconstruction of images is just the beginning of what may be possible with this technology. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the human brain and consciousness, we may be able to unlock new insights into the shamanic worldview and the role of psychoactive plants in human history and culture. By visualizing the brain activity of individuals who consume DMT or other psychoactive plants and using AI to reconstruct their experiences, researchers may gain unprecedented insights into the nature of the spirit world and how psychoactive plants facilitate communication with it. The technology could also be applied to map the brain regions activated while participants experience shamanic practices such as chanting or drumming, leading to significant insights into how the human brain processes spiritual experiences. AI technology could be used through predictive modeling. Researchers could use AI algorithms to create models that identify patterns in brain activity associated with DMT or shamanic states of consciousness. By analyzing these patterns, researchers may be able to more accurately induce shamanic states, predict when individuals are likely to enter these altered states, and possibly even tailor the experience. Another way that AI technology could be used is through natural language processing. Researchers could analyze the language used by individuals who have experienced DMT or shamanic states of consciousness using natural language processing algorithms. This could help identify common themes or patterns in their experiences, providing insight into the nature of these altered states. AI technology could also be used to analyze changes in emotional states that occur during DMT or shamanic experiences. By using emotion recognition algorithms, researchers may be able to better understand the role that emotions play in these altered states of consciousness. Virtual reality is another way that AI technology could be applied to the study of DMT and shamanic states of consciousness. By using AI-powered virtual reality technology, researchers could simulate the experience of these altered states in a controlled environment, allowing them to study the effects without the need for psychoactive substances. Finally, AI algorithms could be used to analyze the connections between different brain regions during DMT or shamanic states of consciousness through network analysis. By identifying patterns of activity associated with altered states of consciousness, researchers may gain insight into the neural mechanisms that underlie these experiences. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the human brain and consciousness, breakthroughs in AI technology may provide us with new insights into the shamanic worldview and the role of psychoactive plants in human history and culture. With the potential to understand complex topics such as the workings of the human brain, AI technology may play a significant role in unlocking the secrets of the shamanic world and its impact on human consciousness.